Hey everybody, today Willow and I are making pawpaw bread. So a question I get a lot is, what is a pawpaw? So the pawpaw is the largest edible fruit that's native to North America. So it grows wild throughout the United States. If you don't have pawpaws readily accessible to you, you can actually purchase a pawpaw tree. I know Stark Brothers has several varieties available for sale, but they're one of our favorite fruits. It's got a tropical flavor and can be substituted in a lot of recipes where you would use bananas. So today, instead of banana bread, we're making pawpaw bread. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get started. We'll be using our favorite banana bread recipe today, and we're gonna replace the bananas with pawpaws.
First, turn the oven to 375.
We'll start off by processing our pawpaws. There's several different ways you can do it, but first you wanna make sure it's ripe. So you can tell by the color, it's gonna turn black a little bit. You're gonna be able to push in it, and it's gonna have some give, and you're gonna be able to smell it. What's it smell like? It smells good, doesn't it? There are several different ways to get the flesh out, but the important thing to remember is you don't want any of the skin left in there. That can give it a little bit of a bitter taste, and you're gonna wanna get all of the seeds out.
Here's one good.
The consistency reminds me of mashed ripe bananas, which is exactly why it substitutes so well.
I couldn't get this one.
You got it.
Yep.
Okay, did we get it all?
Yep.
All right, Willow, this is an important job.
Okay.
Can you mash?
Uh-huh.
All right, mash those pawpaws. Good job. Now we're going to mix the oil with the sugar and the eggs. Do you want to pour the oil in?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. 1 egg, 2 eggs.
Now mix it up.
All right, now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. So we've got the flour, we've got salt, baking soda, baking powder. Stir that all together. Okay, so we're ready to put it all together. Willow, you wanna pour this in here?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Can I get the rest?
Can you pour this in? That's our sugar, egg. Good job.
Put it milk?
1 teaspoon. Okay, pour it in. Willow is finishing stirring up the mixture, and we're gonna pour it into our greased cast iron loaf pan.
It's kind of like when we cook bread.
Yeah, this is bread.
Come on, get it some bread. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven for about an hour at 375. We'll check it with a toothpick to make sure the toothpick comes out clean, and then we'll get to eat it.
What?
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's cook it.
Let's cook it. Get on, Mama.
We just pulled the bread out of the oven, and it smells amazing. We're gonna let it cool a little bit, and we cannot wait to try it. For more fun recipes, be sure to visit starkbros.com and go to the Growing Guide section.